Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change your profile avatar in Doomsday. If you are looking to personalize your Doomsday Last Survivors profile, then changing your profile avatar is a simple way to show off your style and make your account uniquely yours. First of all, open the Doomsday Last Survivors app on your device, and from the main menu screen, go ahead and tap on your current avatar at the top left corner. Now, from the Commander Info section, go to the right hand side and tap on the profile picture, and from the avatars available, select a different avatar you'd like to use. After selecting an avatar, click on Use. And you can now get back and see that your avatar has now been changed. So that is how you easily change your avatar in Doomsday in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.